Among all the symptoms that women experience during pregnancy, one of them is the heartburn, also known as acid reflux. In this video, I am going to give you several natural tips to alleviate or even eliminate heartburn while pregnant, and also a list of foods that alleviates, and foods that will produce heartburn while pregnant that you need to avoid. First, let's review the causes of heartburn while pregnant. The heartburn in pregnancy is produced by the increase in pregnancy hormones, specifically progesterone is responsible for this symptom. Progesterone causes an overall slowdown of the intestines, relaxes the muscles in the stomach, and it creates a delay in the time it takes for food and gastric acids to travel through the stomach and reach the intestines. And because there is a relaxation of the muscles at the entrance of the stomach, that makes it easier for food and gastric acids to travel back to the lower portion of the esophagus when the stomach contracts during the process of digestion. And finally, the second cause of heartburn occurs in the third trimester, when the pregnant uterus puts pressure on the stomach. So, what tips will help you to alleviate the heartburn while pregnant? Tip number 1. Eat small and frequent meals. When you eat small amounts more frequently, you avoid overfilling your stomach, which will allow your stomach to digest small amounts of food at a time and get empty for the next meal. Tip number 2. Avoid drinking a lot of fluid with the meals. When you drink a large amount of water or other liquid during food, you are diluting the gastric acids, which slows down the digestion process. It is advisable to drink the fluids before or after eating the food. Tip number 3. Avoid fatty foods and keep track of all foods that give you heartburn. Foods with a higher fat content take a long time to be digested. And therefore, these type of foods sits in your stomach for a long time. Also, pay attention to the foods that give you heartburn, and keep a log of all of them. Tip number 4. Gravity is your best friend now. During pregnancy, after meals, avoid lying down. From being in an upright position, you are going to facilitate your stomach to work more efficiently in the digestion process. Tip number 5. If you have to lie down, do it in your right side. When you lie on the right side of your body, you are promoting a proper evacuation of food from the stomach to the small intestines. The stomach is a muscular organ, it borders on the upper edge with the esophagus, and on the lower edge with the small intestines. The stomach is located in the upper abdomen epigastrium, on the medial side to the left, but connects with the small intestine on the right side of the body. Therefore, this position allows gravity to empty the stomach properly to the small intestines. Tip number 6. Eat dairy products before meals. Some dairy products such as milk, low-fat ice cream or yogurt, acts as a natural coater in your stomach. By eating a small portion before meals, you will promote a decrease of the burning sensation of gastric acids on the stomach walls. And finally, if your heartburn has been out of control lately, take before meals a calcium-containing low-salt antacid tablet to help and alleviate heartburn before it even starts. Before we are done with today's video, I want to give you some recommended food choices that will help you a lot to avoid heartburn while pregnant. Some foods can naturally trigger heartburn, while others can be your best allies to feel better. Here is a reference to them. Foods that causes heartburn, therefore, you need to avoid. 1. Acidic foods such as lime will increase acid in your stomach. 2. High-fat foods such as fried food or burgers, because they are difficult to digest, so it stays in the stomach for longer. 3. Spicy foods, they irritate the inner lining of the stomach walls. 4. Coffee may decrease the pressure of the lower stomach sphincter, and is also highly acidic. Foods that eliminate heartburn, you can eat more of these foods. 1. Vegetables, because they has natural anti-inflammatory properties. 2. Ginger, not ginger ale, ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties as well. 3. Whole grains, like outmeal and breads, can help absorb stomach acids and significantly reduce heartburn. 4. Healthy fats, found in avocados or nuts. 5. Dairy products, as they coat the inner lining of the stomach walls. The vast majority of women, after giving birth, report almost immediate improvement in heartburn. As you can see in this video, These easy tips you can implement to alleviate or eliminate heartburn discomfort. I hope this information was helpful to you. If you enjoy this video, consider subscribing to my channel and activate the notification bell, so you can be the first one to know when I upload more pregnancy tips videos. Thank you for watching.